Hey guys. This is Ace and Mom playing. You show her, Ace. Well, Avery doesn't know what to think. There's Allegra. Whoop. There's Axel. Okay, just don't knock over the gate. You guys will get scared to death. Hey guys. Okay, so there's Avery. Whoop. There's Axel. There's Ace. Where you going, Ace? There's Allegra. Oh, there she is. And there's Mama. Uh-oh, who's in here? Oh, there you are. You need a break. You need a little break. Yeah. Oops. Ooh, there's another mama over there. I don't think I want to bring Mimi over here. No, no. No, no. Don't do that, please. What's going on back here? What you doing? Is that a hidey hole? A little hidey hole? Whoa! Stampede! I think you guys are going to take a nice long nap. I'm tearing my refrigerator apart. But nice long nap. What's up? What's up? What are you looking at me for? Hey, no, no, Avery. I mean, Axel, no. Please don't do that. What you thinking, Ace? What you thinking? Oh, hello, Ace. Oh, thank you. Did you just go potty? Thank you, Avery. Boop. Get rid of that. All right, say goodbye. Say goodbye.